Meaning of edge.
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 Edge. The term edge can have various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, an edge refers to the boundary or perimeter of an object or a region, where one surface meets another. In computing, an edge can refer to the point at which data is transferred from one network to another. Additionally, the term edge can be used in sports to describe an advantage over opponents. Overall, the meaning of edge varies depending on the subject matter, but it usually pertains to a boundary, transfer point, or competitive advantage.